desirelessly situationally situated, emotionally unswayed, fully full in one's own self, and living so in the happiness equation of life, knowingly that the left and right are equally you, and so staying steady in looking for godly oneness while living within and without with self-control and increasingly undisturbed tranquility on a daily basis is Sthiti Prajna.
So I heard about this really cool concept called Sthita Prajna Lakshana, and I'm really interested in learning more about it, but it just seems like such a complicated topic.
You should definitely attend Swami Dyananda's discourse because he's able to take these big complex ideas and concepts and break them down so we can understand them and then apply them in our day-to-day lives.
Hari Om. Here you have another wonderful opportunity to listen to Swamiji about Sthita Prajna Lakshana. Sthita Prajna Lakshana comes in the last part of Bhagavad Gita chapter 2. One of the best important section, the last 18 slokas of chapter 2 are very important. That's what Swamiji is going to explain. And this is based on Arjuna's question. Sthita Prajnasya ka bhasha samadhistasya keshava Siddhati kim prabhasheda kimasita vracheta kim. Arjuna is asking Krishna, can you give me a description of a man of realization, man of wisdom? And Krishna paints the picture how a steady man of wisdom acts in this world. You and I have distraction from this world, but how a man of steady wisdom, a man of perfection, interacts in this world, the answers to this question. And we are very fortunate to have Swamiji here with us these holidays to explain this man of wisdom interaction with this world.
Hari Om. My name is Ramesh Golla, Director of Chinmaya Somnath, a new center in Chantilly, Virginia. We are very happy to host Gnana Yajna by Swami Dhirananda ji in our ashram in Chantilly. Our team invites you and your family friends for this event. Please note that this event is open for members and non-members of Chinmaya Mission. There is no registration required. Program is free. Complimentary child care will be provided. We are also hosting New Year Puja on January 1st. Please take this opportunity to begin the new year with Swamiji's blessings. We hope to see you for both programs. Hari Om.